Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Your new ride is just a phone call away.